Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So let's quickly cover VET, but before that, let's see what's going on with Bitcoin. Okay, because Bitcoin in the lower time frame, it created this ascending triangle, and then it created a head and shoulder pattern within this ascending triangle, and then it broke to the downside. Okay, so the technical target was is this right over here, and you can see it's at the bottom of this head and shoulder pattern, or the which we can just put a line over there. Okay, and then now it created something within this. When it broke out, it created a descending triangle target was right over there. Now it hasn't met it yet, but let's see what happens. But now it's trying to make over here, it's trying to make a, what is it? Okay, it's making lower highs, I mean higher lows, and now it's trying to, could be considered as a bearish flag. If it makes a bull flag, I mean a ascending triangle like that, we can have a breakout. But the most important thing is we have to break this resistance in order to invalidate this. Break this resistance, try to get to the upside. Okay, but overall, let's get into VeChain. Okay, because this is the most important coin in my viewpoint. Okay, so we had this support for VeChain. Okay, it broke out of this support. Okay, now we had this support over here. Okay, you can see how many times it got some help here. Now it came back to it. Okay, and now it bounced off it. Okay, now it's coming back to it. Okay, this is an important support for VeChain in my viewpoint. Then it created this pattern, this. Okay, it broke out of it. Okay, but then it came back in. So we can just move this right over there. Okay, we can also look at this as something called, it's creating like an ascending triangle. Okay, but now if you bring this line over here, right over here. Okay, now we have this support line that's coming for VeChain. Okay, and we can, if we take this off, we can see it can create something like a symmetrical triangle. If Bitcoin uh, finds a bottom, then we can play in this manner. Okay, like that. Okay, and then break out like that. Okay, but Bitcoin has to make a move to the upside and find a bottom, and then market can move accordingly. And again, now if we look at this theory that can take place, we know that this has been broken, so we can take that off. Okay, now we can take our Fibonacci and just measure this move. Okay, if we just measure it, you can see it's sitting at the, it's coming to the 0.382 level, which sits at 0.787613. We can just mark this right over here. Okay, it's coming over there right now. Maybe it can come here, find its bottom, and then try to move up. But now you can see that it is making a lower low over here like that on this formation. Okay, but we can also build a case that it might do something like this sometimes, when like this, where it can play in this manner. But that's for the future. It hasn't done that yet, so let's not talk about it. So it is doing something in this manner right now, and we have this very important support coming for VeChain, 0.7613 cents. Okay, if you can come here, do some consolidation and then move to the upside. Okay, because if we look in the monthly time frame, you can see that we never closed a candle below this level. Okay, so maybe the you can see these wicks. We have wick down below, but we have never closed a candle below it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 months. Okay, so this is the 8th month. Now we can come here. Maybe bulls can step back in and pull the price back in, and that we'll know in the weekly, this upcoming weeks. Okay, before the month closes. Okay, so even if it comes here to the 0.382 level, takes a bounce from here, and just create this pattern. And I think if it does this, this scenario is going to be bullish for VeChain. The reason I say that is because then we know that Bitcoin has found its bottom, it's moving to the upside, and then we have a breakout that can occur from here and break this resistance, okay? But one thing to keep in mind is if VeChain breaks this support, this support over here, then we know that VeChain is coming over here to the downside, okay? This support is key for VeChain at the moment because it has broken this support, and it's actually trying to, just test the 0.382 level and try to see if it can hold, okay? Because in the weekly time frame, if you go to the RSI, you can see that how many times it bounced off this level over here. We recently broke this level, so but we cannot say anything yet because it is a weekly candle and the week just started, okay? So if the bulls can come back in and just push this price back into this triangle, that would be great. Then I would say then VeChain has a long way to go up, okay? But if it breaks this support right over here, this support line, and then it comes here, then there's a reversal that's going to take place in the market overall, okay? Then we know Bitcoin is going down as well, but this is the support right over there. So this support is key right over there, 0.06892 level, okay? And this level over here. So let me just mark it. Okay, so if it breaks this level, okay, which sits at around 0.07, let me just, okay, at this point, around 0.07481 cents. This is a crucial level. If it breaks this support needs to come into play, 0.06823. Okay, so if this gets held and we get a reversal from here, and then we will come back and test this level over here, the 0.236 level, which is at around 12 cents, okay? Right over here. Okay, then we will test this level, and then the price action would look something like this. Like that, and we are creating a symmetrical triangle within this pattern. And I think if we create this pattern, then I think market sentiments are looking bullish then, okay? But I really think this is a good area for accumulation. This is the accumulation zone. Basically, look at this. Every time it came down here, how much accumulation was done in these areas, okay? So if this happens, then market sentiments can change. But overall, guys, you know the levels now, and hopefully market picks up and we get some confidence back in the market, so it starts moving upwards, okay? But thank you so much, and hopefully you like this kind of videos. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and have a good day. Bye bye.